Residents of Fullersfield, Westmoreland are threatening to stage a mass protest over the poor state of the road in their community. They took to the streets this week, warning they will be back if the authorities don't respond to their plight. TVJ's Janella Perseus has their story.
Criminals running amok in Westmoreland, residents scared. The people contend that they're left vulnerable because of situations like these. Bad roads. This is the Fullersfield main road in the parish. Users of the thoroughfare were delighted a few months ago when rehabilitation work began. They, however, complained that there's been little improvement to the road.
We rip up this road from about January, I think February, somewhere right there. And they have been working on it constantly, every day, and it's not getting anywhere. It's getting worse instead of getting better. They rip up the Cane Piece Road and they say that their pipeman putting in pipeline, but no pipeline is coming through the Cane Piece, and they dig it up for months now, and they are on the road to Little London in the culverts over 5-6 months now. Every day they are digging. I don't know if they find gold in there or what.
Recent events have led the residents, some of whom are taxi operators, to take to the streets.
My car right there gets shoot up already. More than one time, my friend them get shoot up. I have a friend right now who is crippled, living in a little lane around, somewhere around here. People don't remember about him. You understand? Sometimes we go around here, we give him a little 500. What is a $500 or $1,000? What can that do? I'm worried about my co-workers and myself on this road.
In a night, nobody not drive out of their house. Nobody drive out of their house to carry people in a late night, they're afraid, right? And pay bad things will happen. Holiday come up now, right? Holiday come up where if every man now broke and want money. What they do to the people them who are coming, you know? Rob and shoot and all kind of things. Come on, we need help, man.
I drive on this road every day, morning and night. Lonely woman on this road. Man, the road is so bad. I have to slow down. Night coming in, I'm so afraid me have to lock up. Because the road bad, the road sharp in two. Right?
When contacted, Member of Parliament for Westmoreland West, Dr. Wickham McNeil, explained that the road from Little London to Grange Hill will be repaired. Communities like Fullersfield will benefit under the program. A major component of that project is a replacement of underground pipes believed to be over 30 years. But overall, the work is being hampered by rain. The MP says he's noted and shared concerns about security, adding that the contractors are doing what they can to complete the project as quickly as possible. Janella Perseus, TVJ News.